Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. When we go out on a sunny day, we prefer to wear light clothes as they keep us cooler. Have you ever wondered why? Let's know more about this in an experiment with dark and light colors and of course heat. Let's begin. From your IntelliSmart box, take out Heat and Radiation Activity Kit. From the kit, take out the black container, the white container and their lids. You will also need a chocolate bar from your home. Take 2 pips of chocolate and put one each into a black and a white container. Close both the containers with lids. Now, flip these containers and keep them in the sunlight for 3 hours. Afterwards, open both the containers and observe the effect of heat radiation by touching the chocolate pips. What do you observe? Absolutely right. The chocolate pip in the black container melted more in comparison with the chocolate pip kept in the white container. The sun emits energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. We see part of this electromagnetic radiation as light and the other part of this we feel as heat. Different colors have different wavelengths, so they absorb or reflect the radiations differently. That is why the black colored container got warmer more quickly in the sunlight than the light colored container. Darker colors absorb more sunlight than the lighter colors. Lighter colors reflect more of sun's radiation, so they remain cooler. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.